I've had 2 procedures. The first one was about a year ago and the second one 4 months ago. Hair loss began in my early 20s. By the time I was mid-40s, I was practically bald. The hair loss, it affected my confidence when I was younger. It always made me appear to be older. I researched it. I came in to see Josh, showed me pictures of before and after, showed me how he was an actual patient. Dr. Bolton himself was a patient, and I felt confident that the procedure would work. I feel that it was well presented. I feel there was no pressure in making a decision. It was basically an education in the process, and the decision was entirely up to me. Really, it didn't inhibit me from doing anything, but it was more a sense to take control of a situation you didn't want to have happen. No, I didn't. I just did it and put a hat on, and basically my hair grew back very gradually and naturally. I'm sure they have, but I've never been asked. Having hair just made me feel that the hair loss wasn't happening, so it just felt better to have dealt with the hair loss, which is something I didn't want to have. Well, the first day I received a phone call from Dr. Bolton himself as well as Josh. The investment was worth it. The results achieved were better than expected, and that always makes an investment worthwhile. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I know. I think the procedure and care was very well communicated to the patient and very honest about what their expectations could be. I came back today to thank Dr. Bolton and his staff. They put me in, I felt, the best of care and minimal sacrifice or discomfort.